G'day all, Shane from Morphett Air here. Just another video update. Haven't done one for a while, so I hope you get something out of this one. A question we often get asked with when it comes to winter time and it's on heating cycle is people start to feel this cold draft coming through on a ducted system, which can be pretty annoying, of course. So we're going to show you on the Panasonic RTC5B controller how to cycle the indoor fan off when it reaches set point temperature. It's pretty straightforward, so let's just dive in. So here we have the CZ-RTC5B. I don't even know if I got that right before, but nonetheless. So all we need to do is bring up the display, and you'll see it's currently sitting over the temperature. Just use the side arrow to arrow across to the fan, and then we're going to use the up or down arrow just to change the fan. You'll see it's changing now. And when we get to A, the A there, that represents auto fan. So it's pretty straightforward, but all that does is once it reaches set point temperature in the room, it's going to cut the fan out on automatically. And then essentially what it will do is from time to time it might cut the fan back in again just to air sample. And it might run for 30 seconds or so just to sample some of the air temperature to make sure whether it should be cutting in or not, and that's it. So yeah, I hope you found that useful. Cheers.